Welcome back to Mystical Heart Tarot Readings. Today is November 22nd, 2021. This is your message from Spirit. It is a general reading. It is for the collective. So it may or it may not resonate, and that's okay. Not every message is going to be right for you. We have the Eight of Swords. So we are taking action, maybe on an idea or a thought. Something that may cause a change to take place, a change in our life to take place. We have the Seven of Wands. It's in reverse. This change could be causing a temptation, though. Some sort of temptation. We have the Two of Swords in reverse. There's a conflict within us. It could be a conflict in ideas, or it could just be a conflict in our thoughts. We were starting out good here, taking action maybe on an idea, and made a change that helped us make a change in our life. And then here we had a temptation that caused a conflict in our thinking. And we got the Seeker of Swords in reverse. The Seeker of Swords in reverse is the same as the Page of Swords in reverse, which is a challenge that we're having, either in what we're thinking or in the way that we're communicating. We have a challenge. Something that we thought was a good idea that changed our life. And we get all the way over here to where we have a challenge in our thoughts. Are we second guessing ourselves? Is that what this is about? And we get the Nature card. So what this is telling us is we need to go out in nature and ground ourselves. We need to go out and get grounded to bring our thoughts back into check. you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. I send much love and many blessings to all my viewers, all my subscribers. As always, I'll see you back next time. Have a wonderful day.